Here we will write a Python program to create a dictionary with fruit name and its rate, accept the data from the user and store in dictionary. So first in comment line we will write, first we will declare dictionary with dict function. So d equal to dict. Then we will accept number of elements to store in dictionary. So n equal to int input, enter number of elements to accept. Then we will use for loop to accept the elements. So for I in range n. Then we will accept fruit name as a key. So key equal to input, enter fruit name. Since fruit name is a string, no need to convert it, and in value we will accept rate of the fruit. So value equal to int, enter rate of a fruit, and then we will store this in dictionary. So d of key equal to value. Then we will print dictionary values with for loop. So for key comma values in d dot items, we will print key comma rate comma d of key. Here we will give some space and we execute this. I will enter number of element as 3 and I will enter fruit name as apple with value 56, mango with value 76 and grapes with value 78. It will print apple with rate 56, mango with rate 76 and grapes with rate 78. We can print here message fruit names with its rate, and again we execute. I will give here 2. I will enter first name as apple with value 56 and mango with value 67. It will print fruit names with its rate as apple with rate 56, mango with rate 67.